Bitcoin miners have started 2025 on a strong footing. JPMorgan says the combined hash rate of miners tracked by the bank has doubled in the last year to roughly 30% of the global network. The report said.By Will Canny, edited by Sheldon Reback, January 17, 2025, 9:31 a.m. UTC. Bitcoin, BTC. Mining stocks tracked by JPMorgan have enjoyed a strong start to the year, with 12 of the 14 companies outperforming the world's largest cryptocurrency in the first 2 weeks, the Wall Street Bank said in a research report Thursday. The network hash rate has risen 2% month-to-date to an average of 793 exahashes per second, h/s, and is 51% higher than a year ago, the report said. Powered by 00:04/02:441031.6K, 2 Bitcoin surges over $99,000 amid stabilizing CPI data. STLP0 fill. Hashtag. FF3E5F. .st1 fill. Hashtag FEF. .st2 fill. Hashtag FF3E5F. Shared ALSX. 1. Isolation. Isolate. .clsx. 2 fill. Hashtag FF3E5F. .clsx. 3 fill. Hashtag FFF. NextStayThe. The hash rate refers to the total combined computational power used to mine and process transactions on a proof-of-work blockchain and is a proxy for competition in the industry and mining difficulty. The hash price, a measure of daily mining profitability, has dropped less than 1% since the end of December, the bank noted, as hash rate growth outpaced BTC price movement. Miners earned $54,900 in daily block reward revenue per h/s over the first 2 weeks of January. Analysts Reginald Smith and Charles Pearce wrote, which was 2% less than last month. The combined hash rate of the 14 U.S.-listed miners in the bank's coverage has more than doubled in the last 12 months and now accounts for roughly 30% of the global network. The total market cap of the mining stocks that the bank tracks has increased 16%, or $4.5 billion, in the first 2 weeks of the year. Riot Platforms, Riot, outperformed, with a 32% gain, and Bitdeer underperformed, with a 4% decline. Bitcoin has increased about 56% since the halving event in April, around 44% since the U.S. presidential election in November, and is up 134% year-on-year, the report said. Read more. U.S.-listed Bitcoin miners accounted for 25% of global network in December. Jefferies.